Do you ever already have this model? If you ever do not yet have an automatic motorbike watch that's also watches helmets, it is an opportunity worth considering. It sounds like a simple idea, but if you look closely at customer daily habits, you will see this is a very real need that have not been properly exploited. Almost everyone who uses a motorbike has two common needs: washing their bike and cleaning the helmet. However, these two tasks are often separated, and helmet washing is often neglected for a long period due to inconvenience or lack of time. This gap opens up a very clear opportunity. If there is a place that helps customers address both needs in one visit, quickly and conveniently, it's not just a service, but an experience that customers will easily remember and return to regularly. The reality in the market today shows that motorbike watches are numerous, but most still follow the traditional model, using manual methods and lacking clear differentiation. Customers often choose based on habit, proximity to home, convenient location, or familiarity. This makes competition quite flat, making it difficult for a shop to create a unique identity if it only offers simple bike washing. Meanwhile, the automatic bike wash model, combined with helmet cleaning, is still relatively new in many areas, and when a new model appears early, it not only attracts initial attention, but also has the opportunity to become a familiar choice if it provides a good experience from the very first visit. This is the advantage of being a first mover, thus it's not always available. When you implement an automatic bike wash system, the first change is speed and professionalism in operation. A bike can be cleaned in just a few minutes with a clear, consistent process that is less dependent on the skill of the worker. Customers no longer have to wait long, nor do they feel that one day the watch is through and the next day it's not up to par. But what makes a bigger difference is that you utilize that time to offer an additional helmet cleaning service. While the motorbike is being washed, the customer helmet is also processed simultaneously. A need that was previously overlooked is now naturally addressed, without the customer having to think about it or wait extra time. And it is this one visit to service experience that makes customers feel truly convenient, not just advertising hype. If you put yourself in the customer's shoes, you will see that this experience is very clear and easily become a habit. They visit the shop, hand over the motorbike, give them the helmet, and just wait for a short time. After about 10 minutes, they receive a clean motorbike and a fresh smelling, much more pleasant helmet. No need to go to multiple places. No need to return a second time. Everything is handled neatly in one visit. This convenience creates a feeling of satisfaction and makes the service worldwide. And when that experience is repeated a few times, customers will start forming a habit of returning. Once they have a habit, they will no longer compare price at merch, but will prioritize choosing your stop as a familiar destination when everything is by cash. From a business perspective, this is also the way to naturally and sustainably optimize revenue per customer. Instead of just offering a bike wash service, you can design additional packages that bike wash with helmet cleaning at a reasonable price, or program by multiple bike washes with a free helmet cleaning to encourage customers to try the service. The important thing is that you don't need all customers to use the additional service. Just a portion of them choosing it will significantly change total revenue day by day. This is how many successful business models are applying, not by doing more work, but by better exploiting the value per customer visit. When done correctly, its customers not only bring in revenue once, but also open up opportunities for long-term growth. Another noteworthy point is that this model is quite compact and easy to implement in practice. It does not require a large space, a large workforce, or overly complex operating procedure. With an automated system, you can run the business with a small number of people while still ensuring efficiency and stability. This reduces costs, lessens management pressure, and is especially suitable for those looking for an easily manageable business model that can be started step by step without requiring extensive initial experience. When everything is properly designed from the beginning, subsequent operation will be much smoother and minimize unnecessary risk. Looking at the broader market, you will realize one thing is very clear. This model is not yet widespread in many areas. This means the opportunities still exist, and those who implement it early will have a significant advantage. And once habits are formed, Your competitive advantage will become increasingly clearly over time, almost without relying too much on constant advertising or promotion. If you have a business location, are planning to start a business, but are still unsure where to begin, or already operating a business. If you own a bike watch but want to upgrade to a more efficient model, now is the perfect time to seriously consider this option. You can message us directly or leave your information, so Go&Go can provide specific advice tailored to your era and circumstance. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video.